Ever feel like you're stuck in a rut or overwhelmed by everything going on? I totally get it. In 2020, I moved from Wisconsin to escape a tough situation that I had gotten myself into, and that move to Florida changed everything for me. It reignited my love for travel and exploration, and I realized that there's so much more out there. A whole world waiting to be seen, experienced, and enjoyed. I share that little piece of my story, not just to grow my community, but because I truly want anyone feeling stuck to know that those big obstacles are often so small compared to what's possible. Traveling, exploring, and discovering new places has helped me to see that, and I want that for you too. So I encourage you to find that one thing that excites you and go after it. So hi, I'm Holly, and that's what I do here. I share travel tips, hidden gems, itineraries, and advice from places that I've actually been. My goal is to show you that there's more out there for everyone and maybe inspire your next adventure. So whether you're planning your next trip or just exploring ideas, I hope my content sparks the wanderlust inside of you. And if you ever need help planning or booking a trip, I am a certified Fora travel advisor, and I can help you find great deals on hotels and resorts at a discounted price and or with perks that you can't get anywhere else. So if you're into exploring, discovering, or just dreaming about your next trip, hit subscribe and let's explore the world together because limitless adventures are waiting.